Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to do this taper cut with crochet hair. The hair that I'll be using in this tutorial is the Curlfinity. I used 3 boxes of the pink rod, 1 box of the orange rod, and then 1 box of the gray rod. So first I began by braiding my client's hair in a circle. The braids don't have to be really tight because we are going to be going through with a crochet needle and we don't want to put too much tension on the client's hair. Once you have the hair braided into a circle, add some oil to the scalp and then begin by going around the perimeter of the sides and the back with the pink rod hair. Here I'm just showing you guys how to crochet the hair onto the braid. You take your latch hook, you place it through the braid, loop the hair onto the latch hook, pull it through, and then once you have that loop through, you're going to take the loose ends of the hair and pull it through the loop. I hope that makes sense. Yeah, it's just like a 1, 2, 3 step. And I didn't tie the hair into a knot because this hair, it pulls pretty firmly, so I don't think I'll have a problem with it coming out. Once you are complete with the sides and the back of the hair with that smaller rod size, then at the top you'll add your larger size. I added the gray rod and also the orange rod size at the very top. You want the top to be a little bit more fuller, that way you'll get that taper look around the sides and the back of the head. Then once you are done adding the hair in, I go in and I take apart the curls. I break them into like half pieces so that way it'll be more full. So when you're ready to cut, you won't see a lot of spaces or holes in the crochet. Now for the cutting, I cut my sides and my back. I don't touch the top because I want that to be fuller and longer like I said, but I just go around the sides and the back and I just cut off little by little. You don't want to cut too much, and then you'll be able to see the scalp. Just cut off little by little until you get it to the shape that you want it. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you all liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.